Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the tech room. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated mechanical keyboards. While mechanical keyboards cost more, they're widely known to provide an improved typing and gaming experience. Aside from that, they're highly customizable, which enables you to modify how your keyboard looks, feels, and sounds. This is why mechanical keyboards are a perfect choice for anyone who spends long hours on their computer. However, not all mechanical keyboards are made equal, which makes it challenging to decide which keyboard best suits your needs. To help you out, our team has prepared for you the 7 highest rated mechanical keyboards available on the market. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the mechanical keyboards that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top rated options so that you'll be able to decide on the ideal choice. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the tech room, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first mechanical keyboard in our list is the SteelSeries Apex Pro mechanical gaming keyboard, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. The Apex Pro mechanical keyboard features omnipoint mechanical switches that allow for up to 100 million key presses. On top of that, it also boasts a highly durable aluminum alloy frame and RGB illumination with 16.8 million colors per key, making it the ideal keyboard for hardcore gaming enthusiasts. In terms of size, the unit measures 5.5 by 17.2 by 1.6 inches while weighing 2.14 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: adjustable switches. The OmniPoint switches can be adjusted to register at any point from 0.4 to 3.66 millimeters. It also features optimized response times between the switches and keyboard that deliver almost zero input lag and lightning-fast processing. Innovative wrist rest. Featuring a magnetic wrist rest with a soft touch finish, this keyboard allows maximum palm support for optimal comfort. Multimedia controls. A clickable metal roller and dedicated media keys enable you to adjust the volume and settings, change brightness, rewind, pause, and many more at the touch of a button. 3-way cable routing. Built-in channels on the keyboard's frame enable you to choose from one of the 3 possible places for your cable to exit, keeping your desk neat and tidy. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is you can customize the individual keys on the number pad. The second mechanical keyboard in our list is the Razer Pro Type Ultra Wireless Mechanical Keyboard, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. The Razer Pro is a great wireless keyboard whether you're at the office or working from home. For reduced fatigue and stress over extended hours of typing, it features a comfortable cushioned wrist support that is precisely aligned with the keyboard's layout. And in terms of size, it has a profile of 17.28 by 5.16 by 1.6 inches and a weight of 2.29 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: quiet operation. Unlike the typical mechanical keyboard, the Razer features silent mechanical switches and sound dampening foam for a relatively quiet and distraction-free experience. Maximum comfort. This ergonomically designed keyboard boasts keycaps lined with a fingerprint-resistant soft-touch coating for a luxurious and cushioned feel every time you type. Multitasking feature. You can connect and control up to 4 devices while conveniently switching between them without having to constantly pair and unpair. Programmable features. You can customize the keyboard to suit your preferences, such as by remapping keys, recording macros, and creating personal shortcuts for creative tools or office programs for maximum workflow efficiency. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is the keyboard is a bit pricey, but that goes without saying since Razer is one of the best brands in the market. The third mechanical keyboard in our list is the Glorious Gaming Mechanical Custom Keyboard, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4.5-batch rating. Being the pinnacle of design and engineering, Glorious Gaming's keyboard is intended specifically for enthusiasts, gamers, and professionals. Thoughtfully crafted for uniquely pristine acoustics and a haptic typing experience, this keyboard is one of the best all-around choices in the market. As for the size, the unit measures 13.07 by 5.31 by 1.26 inches and weighs 3.33 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: wide software compatibility. The keyboard is compatible with QMK and VIA open-source firmware as well as Glorious Core software. Solid build. Each keyboard CNC aluminum chassis is machined and etched by hand. Its attractive high-profile frame also makes it possible to use a unique mechanical keyboard layout. RGB lights. The iconic side lightning panel has a fully customizable 16.8 million color RGB. Versatile features. A 6-pin modular south-facing PCB supports 3-pin and 5-pin TKL hot swap mechanical switches. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is, according to some user reviews, the knob feels a bit hard to turn. The fourth mechanical keyboard in your list is the Drop-ENTR mechanical keyboard, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4.5 badge rating. This mechanical keyboard by Drop-ENTR is constructed with enthusiast-grade materials, making it the ideal choice for both longtime PC enthusiasts and for those who are just getting into the hobby. It also features the latest USB-C connection, complete with white LEDs for convenient visibility even in dark areas. As for the size, the unit measures 14.2 by 5 by 1.25 inches and weighs 2.05 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: high-quality construction. Featuring an anodized aluminum case and a plastic top cover, it is heavy enough to stay in place no matter where you'll be placing it. Gator-on yellow switches. These medium-weight switches provide smooth linear action. Its lighter weight and linear feel make it great for fast and gentle typists and gamers. Double-shot PTB keycaps. Made from durable double-shot PBT, the keycaps will never shine or fade, but they're extremely easy to switch out if you want to customize your keyboard's look. High responsiveness. Featuring key rollover, this keyboard keeps up with every single keystroke no matter how fast you'll be typing. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is the keyboard's backlit LEDs only come in one color. The fifth mechanical keyboard in our list is the KLUDGE mechanical keyboard, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4.5 badge rating. This compact mechanical keyboard by KLUDGE is a conveniently lightweight model at just 1.79 pounds. With only 61 keys in its arsenal, this model allows for more mouse room, making it a great choice for gaming enthusiasts. As for the size, the unit measures 11.5 by 4 inches. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: versatile connectivity. This keyboard features a wireless mode with a stable 5.0 Bluetooth chipset, a hassle-free 2.4 GHz dongle, and a USB-C wired mode for limitless keyboard connections. Hot swappable feature. The hot swappable PCB enables you to replace 3-pin or 5-pin switches freely without any soldering issues, allowing you to make your own unique keyboard. Long battery life. It can be used for up to 13 hours at its dimmest setting, and it can stay on standby for up to 360 hours. High typing efficiency. The keyboard features brown switches that are tactile and have a slight bump in each keystroke, which makes them great for typing and programming. They also produce only a moderate amount of noise to minimize distractions. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is the backlit LEDs do not change color. The sixth mechanical keyboard in your list is the Corsair K70 Rapidfire mechanical keyboard, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4.5 badge rating. The Corsair K70 is a brilliant all-in-one keyboard that boasts vivid, dynamic lighting control, sophisticated macro programming, and full system lighting synchronization across compatible Corsair hardware. On top of that, it also features a detachable soft-touch palm rest for maximum comfort through hours of typing or gaming. When it comes to size, the unit measures 17.24 by 6.53 by 1.53 inches while weighing 2.76 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: high durability. Made from an aircraft-grade anodized brushed aluminum frame, you'll be using this reliable keyboard for years. Customizable RGB. The unit features per-key dynamic multicolor RGB backlighting that delivers virtually unlimited color customization and control. High accuracy. Cherry MX Speed mechanical key switches with their lightning-fast 1.2mm actuation provide the highest level of dependability and precision. Easy access. Featuring dedicated volume and multimedia controls, you'll be able to conveniently toggle your settings mid-game without having to minimize your game screen. Gaming-friendly keycap sets. The keycaps are textured and contoured, allowing for more optimal grip and a comfortable feel. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is the keyboard is a bit on the wider side, so that it might occupy some mouse space. The seventh mechanical keyboard in your list is the Logitech wireless mechanical keyboard, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4.5 badge rating. This keyboard by Logitech delivers wireless pro-grade performance, allowing for a neat and tidy work or gaming station. On top of that, it also boasts a sleek, ultra-thin, low-profile design. As for the size, this keyboard is actually the widest and heftiest in our list, measuring 18.7 by 0.87 inches while weighing 3.63 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: high responsiveness. With a super fast 1 millisecond report rate, you'll be experiencing maximum gaming accuracy and performance. Customizable RGB lights. The unit features 16.8 million colors with LightSync intelligent RGB technology, allowing you to personalize per key light and colors, create animations, or sync to games, videos, and music. Customizable key programs. You can use the Logitech G-Hub software to set up the keyboard's 5G keys with custom game macros and in-app commands. Durable build. Even though it was designed to be exceptionally lightweight, this keyboard is remarkably sturdy owing to its top-notch construction and aluminum alloy plate. Media control panel. It has simple controls that allow you to play, stop, skip, and mute videos with a touch of a button, as well as a volume slider for finer adjustments. Keeping all of that in mind, the important things you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase are: the symbols don't illuminate, which is quite odd considering one of its main features is the RGB backlight. It doesn't use a USB-C port, but it does use micro USB. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated mechanical keyboards, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next mechanical keyboard roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech room great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.